Welcome to the world of limitless possibilities with the Houzez Real Estate WordPress Theme, the ultimate solution for building professional, visually stunning real estate websites that captivate audiences and drive conversions. With its extensive array of features and intuitive design, Houzez empowers real estate agents, agencies, brokers, and property managers to create websites that stand out in a competitive market. Property listings. Showcase your listings with style and sophistication using Houzez's powerful property listings feature. Whether you're selling homes, renting apartments, or leasing commercial properties, the theme provides you with the tools you need to display your listings in a visually appealing and user-friendly way. Advanced search options. Help visitors find their dream property with ease using Houzez's advanced search options. From location-based searches and property types to price ranges and amenities, the theme's flexible search functionality allows users to narrow down their options and find properties that meet their specific criteria. Customizable property pages. Customize your property pages to highlight the unique features and amenities of each listing. From high-resolution images and detailed descriptions to interactive maps and virtual tours, Houzez's customizable property pages allow you to showcase your listings in the best possible light and attract potential buyers and renters. Mortgage calculator. Empower visitors to make informed decisions with Houzez's built-in mortgage calculator. Whether they're buying, renting, or leasing, the calculator provides users with an estimate of their monthly mortgage payments, helping them determine their budget and affordability before making a decision. Agent profiles. Build trust and credibility with potential clients by showcasing your team of agents and brokers with personalized agent profiles. From professional headshots and contact information to biographies and client testimonials, Houzez's Agent Profiles feature allows you to highlight your team's expertise and experience and connect with potential clients on a personal level. Property management. Streamline your property management tasks with Houzez's built-in property management tools. From managing listings and scheduling appointments to tracking leads and communicating with clients, the theme's property management features make it easy to stay organized and efficient, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Whether you're a real estate agent looking to showcase your listings, a property manager seeking to streamline your operations, or a brokerage aiming to attract new clients, Houzez WordPress theme is your go-to solution for creating websites that make a lasting impression and drive results. And if you ever need assistance, our dedicated customer support team is here to help you every step of the way. With prompt responses and comprehensive documentation, we're committed to ensuring your experience with Houzez WordPress theme is smooth, seamless, and ultimately successful. Ready to take your real estate business to the next level? Experience the versatility, flexibility, and effectiveness of the Houzez WordPress theme today. Visit the page and discover how Houzez can help you create a website that stands out and drives results in today's competitive real estate market.